cooking muffins. Okay. Okay. Preheat oven. Okay. 20 minutes. Alright. Guess I'll put these back then. Oh, right. Never mind. Well, I'll put this then back then, because it needs to stay in the fridge. And it goes. Miss Lance? Our thing is actually weird. Our oven.
What did you do?
I don't know. Oh. Okay.
This needs to be washed.
Sure. This needs to be washed. What? Okay. Don't know why you're having you though. Wash it just before with one hand. It's fairly easy. Yeah, looks like. Sorry, there was water on the lens, so I had to get it off.
What are we doing now?
Washing dishes with one hand is easy.
What are we doing now? This?
I have no idea where it goes. Where does it go?
Set the timer.
Guess it goes in here.
I don't know how to use that. Oh, you need it? Oh, it's not?
Okay.
So it just works by itself?
You could say, hey, you're doing a good job. Good job, muffins.
Our muffins are tough. They don't need any encouragement.
You can do it. Grow up big.
I do not encourage people very well. Not muffins either. I don't talk to inanimate objects. I do like breaking the fourth wall though. 15 minutes. Yes.
Are you videotaping me?
Yes.
That's really weird.
You're really weird.
Please stop.
No. See, he's got the right idea. I don't know. I'm just walking around at this point. Okay. Take my apron off. First try. Oh! I'd like some milk. I'd like some milk. Can I have some milk? Yay! Get some milk. Excuse me. Getting some milk. Oof, sorry. I need to put video.
Get out. I need the queen.
Thanks. Yay, got some milk. That's some good milk.
Does somebody want this strawberry muffin? Hey, there's a strawberry muffin for free. Hey, Jankity, don't eat it. Probably good. Don't worry about what she says.
I think it's probably poisoned. I'm not going to risk losing my life over a muffin. Unless the muffin's absolutely delicious. I have to die over it. Can't see a damn thing. Up at night. There we go. Those muffins are looking good. I like it. Boop. I've got the toothpick. Which kitchen did that milk come from? Which kitchen? Like, did you bring it from home or like what?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. What do you use the grill for?
Pancakes and hamburgers. Are you still taping this? Quit it!
Are you still taping this? Quit it! Oh, that was hilarious. That was hilarious. Are you still taping this? Quit it!
Free strawberry muffin.
It might be poisoned. I'm not going to eat it.
Okay.
That was some good milk.
Take off your apron.
That's what I did.
Fold it up. Everybody take off your apron. Fold it up. Put it back on the shelf.
No problem.
No thanks. 9 minutes. I don't know. 9 minutes. I don't know, they look good. Should we take them out?
It sustains 3 minutes.
Alright, 8 minutes. Oh boy. How many minutes of class do we have?
Where do you guys put that?
I don't know. How many minutes of class do we have left? 20 minutes. Okay. Oh, sorry. So we've got 8 minutes on this thing. Hope. And it went quiet for some odd reason. Well then.